SJ here from MarineMax in Nisswa, and today we have an incredible boat. This is a 2018 Avalon 2785. This is a Tritoon, 27 feet long. It is in beautiful condition. This vinyl is pristine. It is so squishy and comfortable, and it is a light color, so it's not going to be too hot out on the water. This is rated for up to 9 people, and as you can see, there is plenty of room on board for everybody. We have this cool cockpit table that you can stow away. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4 cups in here. You could put 2 handles for a bag and hang that there so it's up off the floor, or this is awesome for like stemmed glasses, margarita glasses, wine glasses. It is a really cool table, spins around like that, and you can put it away when you're ready to put the drinks away and get back to cruising. You have cup holders underneath here. These light up. You can choose green, blue, white, or red. You also have your mood lighting under here and your JL audio sound system that lights up too. And there is a nice large subwoofer here in the front of the boat as well. You have these cup holders here. You can move these around, take them out, and put them somewhere new when you want a cup holder somewhere else on board. It does not sacrifice any seat space, so you can pick this up and still have full access to your storage underneath. And there's tons of storage in this boat. One other cool thing about these armrests is that there is a cubby there for you, so you can keep your stuff out of the sun in a nice safe location on board. This is a bow windscreen. You can lift it up. It folds in half for easy storage, and then you have a full pass through to the front of the boat. Here we've got a love seat at the midship facing the driver, so you're not both facing facing front or facing back. You can actually look at each other and have a nice social layout here in the middle of the boat. It has a dual screen dash with touch screen controls. Here you can see that you can change your lighting color. Now we've got it set to blue. There is a USB aux input, so you can change your tunes right there. It does have the Garmin Echo Map for your navigation, and this is powered by twin racing 400 Mercury outboard motors with only 47 hours of use on them. There is so much life left on this boat. And here in the middle, we even have a galley fridge that pops out here. You can put your wine in there, cheese platter. It's a great boat for entertaining. And you've got this nice granite top that changes into a sink. And you can put your potable water in there. It'll turn on with the turn of a handle. Stow that away when you're not ready to use it anymore. You have in-floor storage, and this boat is available now at MarineMax in Nisswa. You do not want to miss out. It comes with the trailer pre-packaged, so it is turnkey, ready to hit the water, and it's been inspected by our service department, so it's ready to rock. We'll see you at MarineMax in Nisswa.